Hello guys, welcome to my channel on Tech Chronicle with Swastik. In this channel, I will going to give you the latest updates regarding computer science and about the upcoming courses in my channel. Today, I will going to continue operating system full course from where I had left. Today, in this lecture 2, you will going to know about types of operating system. There are four types of operating system. First one is batch operating system. Second one is multi-programming operating system. Third one is multitasking or time-sharing operating system. And the last one is real-time operating system. Now coming to the first one, that is batch operating system. Various jobs are located into memory in the form of batch. Initially, the control is with job 1. When job 1 is under execution and if it is going to perform input output, the CPU is in idle. No other job can perform input output operation until the job 1 is completed. After a completion of job 1, the control is moved to the next job. The problem with this is CPU idleness. The goal of batch operating system is to improve the CPU utilization to avoid or overcome the problem of CPU idleness. Now coming to the second one, that is multi-programming operating system. A single user cannot keep either the CPU or the input-output devices busy all the time. Multi-programming increases CPU utilization by organizing jobs so that the CPU always has one to execute. The operating system keeps several jobs in the memory. It picks and begins to execute one of the job in the memory. The jobs have to wait for some tasks such as an input-output operation to complete. Now coming to the third one, that is multitasking time sharing operating system. Multitasking operating system is an extension of multi-programming operating system. The process or job will be executed in the time sharing mode. The a time share operating system allows many users to share the computer simultaneously. The CPU executes multiple jobs by switching among various jobs, but the switches occur so frequently that the user can interact with the program while running. Since each action or command is a time shared system, tends to be short, only a little CPU time is needed per user. As the system switches rapidly from one user to the next user, each user in the given impression that the entire computer system is dedicated to the user even though it is shared among many users. Now coming to the last one, that is real-time operating system. The system that are strict, deadly time-bound are called as real-time operating system. It has a well-defined fixed time constraint. Processing must be done within the defined constraint or the system will fail. A real-time system function correct only if it returns the correct result within its time constraints. Now coming to the real-time operating system types, there are two types of real-time operating system. First one is hard real-time operating system. Here critical task computes on time. The goal is all delays in the system bounded from the retrieval of stored data to the time that it takes the operating system to finish only request made for it. Example, satellite system, music system. Now coming to the second one, that is soft real-time operating system. Minor delays are accepted in the soft real-time operating system. The critics real-time task gets a more priority over the other task and retains that priority until it completes. Example in the banking sector. Thank you. That's all for this lecture 2 of operating system. See you in the next lecture. If you like my video, then like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.